finally I conquered everything. I'm launching my business today. Yes. I have to deal with all this. Progress. So I just came in like an hour ago. I went out for field work and I came back to all this. The house is in a mess and I don't know where to start, but again I'm so excited because finally we are going to have a nice place to put our clothes and everything. I've been struggling for all these years since we moved in here. It's more than 5 years without storage in my bedroom, but finally I'm happy because we can now, like, we have a place to store our outfits and everything. So we considered to go in with a wall instead of wood because they will have partitioned it with wood, but now we decided to go in with wall, inbuilt wall, because it's more cheaper than doing plain wood. If they could have partitioned this with, like, instead of this being wall, they use wood, and then also that one they use wood, that one would have been more expensive, but this one is way cheaper. So we only need wood for partitioning the partitions inside there. That is where we will use wood. So this one is a little bit cheaper, more than we could have used the plain wood. I don't know if I'm making sense, but that is the point. We tried to cut down the costs. Okay, we were trying to cut down the cost, and this is cheaper than the using wood everywhere. So that is it. My bedroom looks messy, guys. It's messy everywhere. It's messy, but I think by Saturday tutakuwa tumemalizana na hii kitu, so I'm planning on organizing it on Saturday. Yeah, so today's on a Monday. I went out for like 2 hours and then I'm back in the house to this. But the good thing with this fundi is he cleans up after finishing. He will clean up everything. He wipes the wall, wipes the floor. He doesn't leave everywhere the way it is. So he will clear the mess and then try to wipe the walls, because even on Saturday he wiped the walls. So today I'm also like, I know he will wipe the walls just to ease my work. But now that is the progress. Something that I want to do right now is, I'm not that tired. I want to declutter my girls' bedroom, declutter the clothes, and know which outfits I'll be keeping and which one I'll be giving them away. With mine, I did that on our last vlog, though I did not take you through, but I tried and decluttered most of the clothes. I just have few remaining, but mine done. So today I want to declutter my girls' bedroom, declutter the clothes, know what to keep, what to give away, and all that. So welcome to this vlog. I'm hoping that you all are doing fantastic. A new day, new week, new energy, and therefore new vlog. If you haven't subscribed, kindly consider subscribing, like this video, share me out, and also drop a comment in the comment section. So let's cruise through the week.
This is not a phase, my dear. Time heals the moment, but our hearts were frozen, don't disappear.
Hey besties, today's on a Tuesday and I'm so excited because I'm going to pick my girl from school. They're breaking for midterm. I've missed that girl. It's been almost 2 months. They reported on 7th of January. Right now we are towards the end of Feb. I think it's almost 2 months or so. I've missed her real bad. So we are here. We are going to pick her. We're supposed to be there by 12:30. Yeah.
Our attention is running, 5 seconds is burning a hole in our racing hearts. I wish we could find the space, a great escape, where we could finally break the mold. If it's us that we wanted, happy after the fall. And I don't wanna change it all. 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 Life's been till the end. Tell me stories that I've heard 1,001 times before. I bet. Let me fall into your eyes all over again. I'll be right here for the rest of my life. Just know that I'll give you love you never wanna share tonight. Tonight. But if the world isn't working the way that we found it when we were too young to love, our attention is running, 5 seconds is burning a hole in our racing hearts.
Hi besties, today is Wednesday and it's almost 4 in the evening. I'm just done with my day. I was working from here where I am, and let me tell you, it's not comfortable at all. I need to get an office desk and chair so that I can be at least comfortable. Right now I want to step out to go buy some groceries that I'll be needing today. It's just the onions and then the tomatoes, and also I'm thinking of making pilau because my girl has requested for it. She came back from school wako midterm and she requested for pilau. I don't know if I'll be able to do. Aki nimechoka. I'm tired. I'm feeling like my back is stuck. It's stuck somewhere. So I really need to get a desk and a chair. Kwanza a chair. I need a very comfortable chair. Anyways, my bedroom is looking so messy. It's messy. I'm still waiting for the carpenter to come and finish up this thing because everywhere, everything is everywhere. The room is looking so messy. In the morning I was looking for my notebook that I usually use, so I ended up using hubby's diary. Yeah, yangu sijui imepotelea wapi. I've been looking for it. So I really want this thing to get out of my sight so that I can organize this room. It's in a mess. And I also wanted to tell you that if you'll ever find yourself in a place whereby you are building a house or anything, just make sure that if you have money, that is, or if you have like your cash is flowing real well, just make sure that you finish everything before you settle in, because doing things unaingia and then at some point you start doing something, even the renovation itself the process is something, it messes everything up. Installing this wardrobe, I thought it's just a very small thing, but it has created a lot of mess. I was cleaning the floor, I was scrubbing that cement off the tiles. Yo, it's work. So if you have money or if you have a good cash flow, just make sure that you construct the whole house, finish everything. Take your time. As long as you have money flowing, just take your time, finish everything and then settle in for once. Me, I've struggled. Like in my kitchen, nilieka tiles kama tumeingia. I painted the house kama tuko ndani. Like most of the things I've done when we were already in, and it messes you up. It's just the whole process is awful. It's not good, it's just funny. So if you have money, just make sure that you may finish everything and then you settle in. So I want to get out and on motherhood errands and house errands. Yeah, basically that is what I want to do. My day has been so good. Tomorrow I'll be somewhere. Anyways, let me just do what I'm supposed to do right now. Yo, I'm so excited. I'm happy at the same time. Aki, please, must mind my background. Don't even try to look at the background because work here is still going on. Yeah, so I'm so grateful to God that I had to do this. It has been a back and forth thing with whatever is in my mind, but finally I conquered everything. I'm launching my business today. Yesterday I went to the market, and then yeah, today was on Friday. I just want to launch it because it's an online store. I'll be doing delivery. So if you are watching me from here and you don't follow me on Instagram and also on TikTok, you will not know what I'm talking about. So what you need to go is go follow me on Instagram. Yeah, real_roots, and then the business page is roseelegant.ke. roseelegant.ke. I've not specified whatever I'm doing because I want to do, like, I'm not going to stick on one thing. I want to have a lot of items or a lot of products. Right now I just have one item, but it's because I'm starting. But when I settle, I would love to have different items to sell. That's why I've not specified if it's bags, it's shoes, it's clothes, swim clothes, or I've not specified. It's just roseelegant.ke. So by the time I specify whatever I want to do, maybe I will have a name for it. But for now, we are roseelegant.ke. I'm so happy, and I'm also like, I just have mixed feeling because I don't know how this feels. Only being at the market and doing this was just hectic. I was like, you guys, this is what you go through while doing this. But anyways, it doesn't matter. What matters is we have finally started, and I'm just letting God in. I've prayed over it. Even my daughter did it. I'm going to insert a short clip or footage I found her doing here. So I'm so grateful to God that I finally started. I finally started. Yeah, the bottom line is I finally started. And I wish you can see my vision for this thing. I wish you could see the whole picture that I had in my mind, But if I were to wait until that one, singeanza. So in anything, in whatever, just start. Doesn't matter how small or little you're going to do it, but make sure you just start. So let me do that real quick because 3rd March I want to be active. I want now to start selling. 3rd March, it will be on Monday, it is on a Friday. So I want to take pictures. I position myself, know where I'll be set up a very small place where I'll doing the photos, the posting, the live streaming, because I'll be going live on Instagram and also on TikTok. Okay, guys, I don't know how this one feels, but me, as long as I've conquered the fear of starting, anything else won't stress me. I'm just going to do my part and leave the rest to God. That is what I'm telling myself, you know, so long as we have started. Yeah, so I want to like organize myself, get ready for Monday, because that is when the first stock will be up on my business handle page. So roseelegant.ke, if you are here, you are my fan, kindly follow me there. And also my personal handle is real_Rose. So here we are. And because I'm starting, I do not want to start with a lot of pieces. These are just bags, handbags, and because I'm starting, I do not want to start with a lot of pieces. I've only started with 6 pieces. I wanted to do 10 pieces, but again, yeah, I started with 6 pieces, but hopefully, I'm hoping and praying that maybe after 2 weeks or 3 weeks, I will have to stock up real good. But for now, this is how we are going to start it. So everything is here. I don't know. I don't know if I did it right, because I've never done it. Yeah. But I've been doing researches about it, so I don't know if I did it right. But yeah, me, my joy is I've finally started. Yes. Hey besties, so I'm super ready for the day and I'm just also done with this vlog. I want to set up my working station and start working around 2 to 3 hours, and then I'll be done and then do something else. For now, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you. I don't take your support for granted, and hopefully I'll be seeing you on our next video. Just remember to subscribe, to like this video, share me out, and also to drop a comment in the comment section, and I really appreciate. So bye.